how to create slow motion video with mobile. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, you need to go to Play Store. Here you guys will search for CapCut. So I will search for CapCut. Now click on the second website like CapCut Video Editor. Here you guys will simply click on install. I added install it, so I will click on open. Once you guys click on open, now click on new project. Now here you guys will import the video that you want to convert to slow motion. So after that, click on add. Now here the question is how I can convert to slow motion. So for that, I will simply scroll like that. Now I will select the part here, I add slow motion. For example, I want to add slow motion here. So I will simply click on split. After that, I will click here. Now I will scroll here. Here you guys can see speed, so simply click on speed. Now you guys will see curve normal velocity effect. So for slow motion, simply click on normal. Here you guys will see 0.1x, 1x, all 2x, 5x, 10x, 100x. So I will simply select that to 0.2x. Now let's play our video. Here we go, our video was converted to slow motion. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.